Hello everyone, my name is Mahen Kumar. I came here from Vancouver, Canada. I am an engineering student from Langara College. I chose this biotechnology internship to gain transferable laboratory skills and some exposure to an active research environment. I believe this internship will help my future career as an aspiring bioengineer. During my time here in this lab, I was able to see various lab procedures that are used in the industry and academia. Some of them include DNA extraction, PCR, gel electrophoresis, DNA sequencing, and DNA barcoding. Other than that, Thessaloniki is beautiful during summertime, and the views from the White Tower can't be missed. Time flies by here. With the arrangements made by Circle Abroad, I was mostly happy. Just be ready to have some offline time. There will be times when you may need to disconnect from everything and soak in the experience. I found the city to be very accessible, so this made my experience very nice. Everybody is friendly here, and you won't have any trouble finding the things that you need. If you're confident, you can make your experience one of a kind and unforgettable. Thank you.